On the 13th of October, 120 people were chosen by the Pretoria Eye Institute in celebration of the worldsightday to have their vision restored without worrying about the expensive costs. The eye hospital dedicated 5 theatres and 5 ophthalmologists to carry out the cataract removal operation. Cataracts are one of the leading causes of blindness in South Africa, with the majority of blind living in rural communities and are unable to afford the life-changing surgical procedures. The citizen followed 68-years-old Johanna Mphatsoe as she prepared for the journey to undergo an operation to restore her vision in the left eye.
Ngizizwa ngijabulile mana ngibangihelebha ngiyokujabula rek lethi nje sengithandaza ukuthi bangincede la ungaboni kuhle kusimnandi nawe kade ujayele ukuzisebenzela nethi nangikhamba ekhaya ngikhona ukuthi nangifika ekhaya ngibone ukuthi la basinye njani la bayaganga ngisho ngijwayele uzenzela izinto bazongenza ilihlo leli left alboni away2 enhlek mara leli liwes bathi line cataract ithome affecta ngisasebenza manga ayina so ngibone ukuthi la kune something abatshela abalungu ukuthi banginike amablere lawo nanga ayinawo ngabona ukuthi amehlo amlaya akasese right ni ngayeka ke emsebenzini ngisasebenzi kenge bangijele ukuthi bangoyini mara mina ngabatshela ukuthi angazi ukuthi yenzwa ishukela ufu nje.
Thankfully for Mphatsoe, a cataract operation is fast and rarely taking longer than 15 minutes and has a high success rate. The cataracts operation was received by the hands of eye specialist Dr. Mphatsoe, who has been part of the hospital since 2018. Mphatsoe's surgery took 20 minutes due to the hardness of the cataract. A successful cataract surgery begins with pre-operation planning.
And the best way to describe that, it's like having a clear pizza in a clear box. You would imagine a clear box and a clear pizza. As you get older, that pizza will start aging and become unclear. That's what you call a pizza. So today we're going to open the box, remove the pizza, put a new pizza in the box. So what happens, once you remove the pizza and you put a new artificial lens in, which is the new pizza, it can't grow back. But the box, what I'm telling you is this, it's not scientific, I'm just describing it to you. The box can get a bit of deposit on it, and you need to polish that after 6 to 12 months. So many people think, oh, my cataract has grown back, and the cataract hasn't grown back. It's just that the lens, the artificial lens that has been put in, needs to be polished after a few months. So now we're going to access, what we're doing now is we're accessing, I'm putting some dye in. This dye will stain the lid of the box. Then I'll be able to open the box. Because remember, the box is transparent. Once you open the box, you can access the cataract, remove the cataract, clean out the whole box, put a new lens into the box.
Hayi nje ngijabulile lethi ngilambile nje since ngigcine kudla 7:30 izolo ayingizwa ngathi next ubuhlungu ngizwa nje bengicabanga ukuthi kuyoba buhlungu phela yo next ngathi ngingabona nje yo phela sinye isikhathi ngithi ngifuna ufone ngelinye ilanga ngithi ngifake inaliti ngithi ngiyokulungisa ibruku kahle ukujama estradeni umama akhe ngafika ukuthi kwenza njani ngithi angikhona ukufaka inaliti yo ngezwe uhlungu